So one of these questions with regards to Abhishekam is, why are you wasting milk? Why are you wasting all of these dravyas?
So, first of all, for the devotee, that is not a stone or a murti, Bhagawan is there. Whatever is being offered to Bhagawan. So, it will never go for a waste. It is offered out of gratitude. Bhavana is very important. It is offered to Bhagawan and Bhagawan receives it. It is not that it is only our belief. Mantras are invoked, deity manifests, deity receives, consumes. It is experience of so many bhaktas.
Yeah.
And secondly, what is being offered, what we offer is called Naivedya. Naivedya means to offer something to Bhagavan and propitiate Bhagavan. So, when what is offered is called Naivedya to Bhagavan and what is attained back is called as Prasad. So, in the same way, when a dravya is offered to Bhagavan, when it pervades the Shivalinga, it becomes a Prasad. So, ideally, it is collected and given to the devotees as Prasad. So, it will never get wasted. And Prasad literally means what? That which will settle down the mind. Sad, Sidati means to sit. That which will completely quieten the mind is Prasad. And what will quieten the mind? What has come from Bhagavan. That acceptance will quieten the mind. This bhavana of acceptance is what we have to cultivate. So whatever is offered in Abhishek, sometimes it will be flower, sometimes it will be dravya, sometimes it will be bhasma. Different things are offered to Shivji. Collected, given to the devotees as prasad. So whatever is offered is not wasted. In fact, not only Abhishek, the entire alankar of Bhagavan, whatever is offered, flowers, bilvapatra, mala, chandan, kumkum, everything, there is a specific way by which it has to be removed. That is called nirmalya. And it cannot be just thrown in the dustbin. It will go, like you said, it will get replenished. So many of these things will go into the earth. They will be put below a tree. It will get recycled. Ideally, nothing that is offered to Bhagavan can be just wasted. It is actually a dosha. If you like this content, then please comment, share and follow Chinmaya Shivam.